$. Expected. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Chisago County, Southwestern Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin, Southern Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Centuria, or 33 miles east of Cambridge, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Amery around 9:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Clear Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.